I had a dream last night you were dead. People didn't let me see your body. My heart was minced into million pieces. It's meaningless to be famous if you're dead. Then who's gonna be so proud of me and truly happy for me? Am I hurt? I'm sick. I will never know what makes me happy. Why did you make me? Why my life never get easier? I'd rather die. I'm trying to show you. And you came up to me, stuck my thumb with the needle to make my system work again. You saved me again, Mom. You fucking saved me again, Mom. It's hard to be a daughter of the women loved by God. I know who hurt you will eventually be punished by God. It's hard to be a daughter of a woman loved by God. Don't you dare fucking try to hurt her. You're gonna be so fucked up by God. Live the fuck out and be good to her, but never fuck her. Be good to her, but never